So welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted for a while, and I'm at Thornwick Bay. I haven't got my cameras with me, so I've got to shoot this on my phone. And this is a 2016 Ford Fiesta, and one of the rear tail light bulbs needs replacing, which means, so we'll get straight onto the video. So this car belongs to one of my friends who owns a static caravan at Thornwick Bay, Henry. And what we need to do to change the bulbs, you've got to take this light unit out. Now at the top, I think, is it T20, Henry? I think it's a T20 in it. Usually I think it's a T20 Torx. It'll say on bit what it is. Let's look. Let's have a look on bit here. So I have to can't tell. Oh, you've got X. It's a the Torx screw, but obviously it fits. I ain't brought many tools with me because of a. Let's have, yeah, T20. Yeah, you can talk. You're allowed to talk on the video. Yeah, of course you are. Right. So, but at the bottom it's like a push. It's like a plastic rivet. So you pull the centre bit out. Don't be losing that. No. Then prise the rest of it out.
You've got a flat-ended screwdriver.
I do have me flat-headed. Sorry, I'm trying to.
Oh yeah, it'd be better with a screwdriver than.
Yeah, sorry, I'm doing this one-handed because I haven't brought any camera equipment when we're doing this. All on my phone. There, that bit should pop out. Right, I think I got it. Go on. It's not my usual way I do videos. I'm a bit better prepared than this, but yeah, didn't bring any tools with me. And then somewhere behind here, you have to pull all trim out. Behind here, just pull all, and you have to pop carpet out. Yeah, that's it. Pull carpet out. Somewhere behind there should be some. So I don't know. Let's have a look at. No, I think it's higher up actually. Oh, but you'd have to pull that plastic. You have to pull this trim out, and that should have been screwed in. I'm gonna have to pull this rubber seal out. It might give you a bit more room.
There's no screws in there.
No.
To all that.
Let's have a look.
There's no screws.
And I'm feeling around. I can feel.
Can you feel?
I can feel connection for light, but I can't. I won't be able to show it on camera, unfortunately, because it's such an awkward.
I'll just.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right. You can be cameraman. I can feel. Just a moment. I can feel wing nut. It's a bit hard to show because it's such a confined space, but I can feel it. Let's have a. And I did see something on a YouTube video. Wasn't quite the same. It was two screws, but it doesn't matter how it's fitted in. There's basically no way I could get a camera in, not even my GoPro.
No. So
I just got to feel with my hand, and
so it
is. That's the wing nut that actually secures it from behind.
So it should come up.
Yeah, bring
go on,
camera round.
You've got camera because I've got to go get
it. I should have disconnected the plug.
There we go.
Yeah, again, I can't show this on unless try pulling it out. I might be able to. There, we can disconnect it there. You can see where wing nut goes in through there. Yeah. You can't show. Right, go on, I can't show it from behind. So I've pulled tab in. Just give it a pull. That's what she said. And the old light unit
way down there
comes out. Do you know which bulb it is?
Yeah,
Is it like a combined brake and tail light?
It's brake complete and brake light.
Yeah, double filament.
So
let's have a look. Spin it back. It's that one. So it should be.
So it could be.
It'll be that. It's that one. Yeah. take a butcher's at the bulb. Have we got a blown filament?
Yeah. Just brake light that's not working.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it has broken.
I've got a new one,
that
so.
filament. Sorry. Terrible camera work on phone. I tell you what, before we secure it in, we better test it, because we can plug it in and then can just test it before you secure it. Just plug the connector back in. Right, just rest it in. We'll see if we fix the problem. Oh, hang on just a moment. The bulb holder's not in properly. I'll just make sure that bulb hold. Oh, get music off. Copyright. Because we get copyright claim. Just a sec. So, just putting the
Right, side light.
just a moment. I'm just resting it in. Right, okay.
Side light.
Yeah, I think so. It's just a bit hard to see in daylight.
Brake light.
Yeah, brake light's working.
That's it then.
Yeah, so we fixed. Problem's fixed. So just got to button it up. I'm gonna end the video with you. That's not my usual type, bit more vloggy, but pretty much short notice and not planned. So I'll end the video here. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.